Hey, Billy B here. Are your chords sounding like this? I'm going to give you a couple tips for practicing clearing your strings. We're going to use the D as an example. So let's take our third finger, place it in its spot, so second string, third fret. With no other fingers pressed down, we're going to play the second string. Make sure we get sound out of that one. Then we're going to play the string underneath. And if you get a muffled sound, then you're going to try to get a little bit more curl. There's very little difference, but a little bit more curl. Or with the curl, maybe sit a little bit higher on the string. So I'm going to move up just slightly. See if there's no sound and sound. So once you can do that, you get nice clear sound. Then let's add the second finger. And try not to move your third finger. If you move your third finger, you're going to get that. Once you can get these two, same thing. Try not to move your second and third finger and get that third one there. You would do the same thing with the C chord. If you're going to take the C chord, we can work our way down to the higher strings. So start with just your third finger and see if you can get sound from the string underneath. If not, curl it up. If you can do that, let's add our second finger. If you're still getting it muffled, you can take that finger back off, see if you can clear it. This just helps you get into the right position. And second. Next one, same thing. So if you're getting a muffled out of the next string, the G, then you can work on one finger individually so you can get every finger to be able to clear those strings underneath. You can do this anywhere. Even a practice where you just go one finger, second finger, third, work your way up. The goal here is to really just to learn how to clear the string underneath. I hope this helps. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll have some more tips for you.